Create an image illustrating ancient agricultural practices in Sri Lanka. The scene should feature terraced rice fields or other traditional crops grown on terraced hillsides. Farmers using traditional tools such as wooden plows or sickles, dressed in traditional attire. A serene landscape with lush greenery, possibly including palm trees or other native flora. The presence of water bodies such as irrigation channels or small reservoirs tanks used for farming. Include elements that reflect the cultural and historical context of ancient Sri Lankan agriculture, such as ancient ruins or stylized architecture in the background. This prompt encourages the AI to depict the historical and cultural aspects of agriculture in ancient Sri Lanka, highlighting the traditional techniques and landscapes that were integral to farming practices in that era. Generate an image depicting ancient agriculture in Sri Lanka during the time of the Sinhalese kingdoms. The scene should include terraced rice fields. Showcase terraced fields on hillsides, intricately carved to maximize irrigation and cultivation efficiency. Traditional farming techniques. Illustrate farmers using traditional tools like wooden plows and sickles, dressed in ancient Sinhalese attire. Surrounding landscape. Capture the lush greenery of the Sri Lankan countryside, including native trees and plants typical of the region. Water management systems. Highlight ancient irrigation systems such as Ruas reservoirs or Ella canals, essential for water distribution to the fields. Cultural context. Include elements that reflect the cultural ambience of ancient Sri Lanka, such as stylized architecture, ancient temples, or distant ruins in the background. This prompt aims to evoke a visual representation of the rich history and sophisticated agricultural practices that characterize ancient Sri Lanka, emphasizing the harmony between human activity and the natural environment.